Is the first student of Standard 8 in front of you. Yes, today I am here to host today's event, that is Small Industry Day, dedicated to celebrating the hard work and innovation of the student. Today we will witness a range of activities showcasing their creative projects. To kick off,
it is great honor to be here today to celebrate Small Industry Day. This day is significant as it gives us an opportunity to recognize the invaluable contribution of small industry to our economy and society. Small industries are often referred to as the backbone of the economy.
To all present here, I am Ifraz Meet from 7th Standard in front of you. Today I am here before you to present a speech on Small Industry Day. The National Small Industry Day is an annual celebration observed on 30th August every year. It is dedicated to promoting small business nationwide and offering job opportunities to the unemployed. Small industries are the backbone of our economy. 5% of the total export and can access international market. छोटे कारोबार की मेहनत का फूल, छोटे कारोबार की मेहनत का फूल, वतन की तरक्की का है सबसे बड़ा नोल. This special day is responsible for supporting the setting of new industries.
We have a fantastic lineup of students, groups and industry experts here today. Our goal is to explore various dimensions of small industries including future trends, challenges, globalization, innovation, support systems and sustainability. To start, let's introduce our panelists. Introduces themselves briefly.
Everyone, myself is Deep Kaur and I am expert in support system for small business.
Good morning everyone, my name is Asim Jamil and I am expert in innovation is critical for staying competitive.
Hello everyone, my name is Aves. Hello everyone, my name is Aves Uddam. I am expert in sustainability and small industries.
Hi everyone, my name is Gurleen Kaur and I am expert in challenges faced by small industries.
good morning everyone, I am Atif Arshad and I am expert in future trends in small business.
Thank you all. Now let's begin with our students group. Group first, the floor is yours.
How do you see technologies influencing small industries growth in next decade?
Thank you group first for that insightful question about future trends in small industries. Industry expert, could you provide us with an example of how small businesses are successfully implementing technology?
Good question, and the answer of your question is technology will undoubtedly drive significant change. We are seeing trends like automation, artificial intelligence, and the internet things becoming more prevalent. Small businesses that use leverage technology will be more competitive. For example, AI can help optimizing operation and the technologies of customer service.
Thank you ma'am for your response.
Great, that was very enlightening. Let's move on to group second. Please present your question.
Our group is curious about the challenges that a small industry might face in the future. What are the main obstacles that a small business will need to overcome?
Thank you group second for highlighting the challenges faced by small businesses. Industry expert, could you elaborate on some strategies that small businesses can use to overcome these challenges?
Your question is good. So the answer of your question is that small businesses often face challenges such as limited access to the capital, competition faced from larger companies and regulatory hurdles. In the future, they will also need to navigate issues related to data security and environmental sustainability.
these challenges?
Building a strong network, seeking mentorship, and leveraging technology to streamline operations can help. Additionally, staying in sustainable practices can provide a competitive edge.
Thank you, ma'am.
Excellent. Now let's hear from group third. What would you like to discuss about globalization and its impact on small industries? We are interested in how globalization impacts in small industries. How small business compete in a global market? Thank you, Group Third. Industry expert, could you share some strategies small businesses can use to adapt to global market demands? Nice question. The answer of your question is globalization opens up new markets but also increase competition. Small business can compete by focusing on niche markets, offering unique products or service and utilizing digital platforms to reach international customers. Thanks, ma'am, for your reply. What strategies can small business use to adapt to global market demands? Adapting involves understanding global market trends, investing in market research, and being agile in product development and marketing strategies to meet diverse customer needs. Thank you. Very insightful. Next, group fourth. Please present your question about innovation in small industries.
Our group is exploring the role of innovation. How crucial is innovation for the success of small industries, and what type of innovations are most impactful?
Thank you, Group 4, industry expert. Can you provide an example of a small business that has succeeded through innovation?
First of all, the question that was asked is very good, and the answer of this question is innovation is critical for staying competitive in meeting evolving customer demands. Types of impactful innovations include process improvement, business model innovation, and product innovation. For instance, developing a new product or improving operational efficiency can drive growth.
Can you provide an example of small business that succeed through invention?
Sure. A small startup that develop a new eco-friendly packaging solution for products found significant success by addressing consumers' demand for sustainability while differentiating itself from competitors.
Thank you.
That's great example. Moving on, Group 5, please share your thoughts on support systems for small businesses.
What support systems are available for small business, and how can we benefit from them?
Thank you, Group 5, industry expert. What are some effective ways small business can utilize the available support systems?
Support systems include government grants, mentorship programs, and industry associations. These resources offer finite fees.
Now let's open the floor to questions from the audience. If you have any questions from the audience, please raise your hand and we will get to as many as we can.
छोटे कारोबारों को ज़ाब्तों के चैलेंजेस से निपटने के लिए क्या इक़दाम करने चाहिए? में आप डटे रहें, तामीर सॉफ्टवेयर इस्तेमाल करें और कारोबारी मशीरों या कानूनी माहिरीन से मशवरा करें।
छोटे कारोबार बैनुल अक़वामी सतह पर डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म का इस्तेमाल कैसे कर सकते हैं?
ऑनलाइन मौजूदगी को अपनाएं, ई-कॉमर्स साइट्स और हरफी इस्तेदाद जैसे SEO का इस्तेमाल करें और डिजिटल मार्केटिंग को अमली हकमत में लाएं।
Can you give examples of process innovation for small industries?
Examples include using automation software for tasks and adopting lean.
मेरा नाम इसका मिर्जा, मैं क्लास 7वीं से हूँ और मेरा आज का मौजूद है नेशनल स्मॉल इंडस्ट्री डे। आज मैं आपको एक अहम मौजूद कारोबारी रूह पर बात करने के लिए यहाँ मौजूद हूँ। कारोबारी रूह का मतलब है अपनी ख्वाबों को हकीकत में बदलने के लिए हम खुद एतमादी
7th standard. Today I am here to deliver a speech on Small Industry Day. Every year on the 30th August, India celebrates National Small Industry Day. This day is dedicated to acknowledging the significant contributions made by small-scale
प्रोडक्ट में वैसे पूरा देख नहीं पाया। एक जो यहाँ पे एक्सपर्ट्स आपने रखे हुए थे बड़ा अच्छा लगा मुझे, लेकिन अनफॉर्चुनेट ये है कि बड़ी अच्छी डिस्कशंस थी आपकी, पैनल डिस्कशन बिठाए थे। तो आप में ये चीज इंस्टिल करने का मकसद क्या है स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज?